I am an owl, sitting on an old tree branch in the cool night air. While the world sleeps, I stay awake, watching quietly. Every little movement tells me a story. The rustle of leaves, the whisper of the wind, the heartbeat of the dark. I turn my head slowly, almost all the way around, not out of fear, but out of wisdom. The night trusts me, and I trust my silence. When the time comes, I fly soft wings. No sound. I do not announce my strength. I show it with patience. I am not loud like the birds of the day. I am calm, focused, and aware. Remember this: those who watch quietly often see the most.